Well, we made it to Friday. How you guys doing? Hopefully you're looking into Save Club, and that's why you're watching this video. And if you've already joined and you're a little stuck and not sure how to market or maybe produce video or some kind of content, you know what? Relax. Okay, I'm just going to make me a little beverage here. I have my ice and my little straw, and I want to show you what I've been doing. I'm just shy of 100 people signing up with this great opportunity as members and affiliates. Because I want you to be an affiliate. I want you to earn money, but then let's save some money too. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay, so anyway, cheers. I'm going to have a little swig. All right. Ooh, I just brushed my teeth with Crest. It's always weird whatever you drink after you brush your teeth. I brushed all of them too. Like every single one, the tops and the bottoms. So I'm feeling pretty good. All right, guys. Here we go. What I like to do is invite people to click links to watch short little videos that are already produced. They're there. They're 24 hours available. So when I'm sleeping, hiking, break dancing, doing crazy stuff, my videos are just sitting there recruiting, telling you folks all about the comp plan, how to save money, and how to earn money as well. Okay? So anyway, how in the heck do I get people just to look into this thing? Well, I do email, I do get inbox messages, and I love making any kind of content with social media. It could be, I guess Facebook is my favorite. You know, there's Instagram, TikTok, Threads, Twitter, X, oh my God, even Craigslist. Wherever you post, it's not wrong. You just need to post and say something simple, and I'll show you what I do, okay? So, joinsaveclub.org. I like when people click this because you go on a little journey. Do you want to see what it looks like? Okay, so you go join. Now remember, joinsaveclub.org. Now, this goes to a page. I like to call it the capture page, but when you join, this is called your power line landing page. Now, I like to put my name right here. You can put your name or your company. I like to brand myself. CoryDraper.com. That's my main hub. You can see all my incomes there. My email address is even Cory@CoryDraper.com. So when people go to my Powerline landing page, they see my name. And I hope that you realize, hey, he's a real guy. I can even find him on Facebook. I even use my personal Facebook page and mix my business as well, because I want you to see I'm not embarrassed. I don't need to separate Save Club from my real life. It actually benefits it. So this is the video that's already made by the company. It's 6 minutes long. It'll tell you everything you need to make a decision. It's hosted by our founder, and check it out. Okay, joinsaveclub.org and fill out your information here. Click the orange button and you're going to get a nice email from Save Club. And actually, I'm going to send you a personal one from me too, because I want you to know this is not just an autoresponder thing. It's not all automated. I want you to know that, yes, you can email me. I mean, if you inbox me on Facebook, great. The more interaction and the more real questions you have, and if you give me some, I can get a hold of support@saveclub.com, just like you have access to that as well. But I like the human experience with this. I'm not looking for everything to be automated so I can go shopping. I've done that my whole life. Right now, I like to meet people worldwide and help people as well. It's important. That's how you get a nice team, a nice group, a nice downline. The more money you make, the more money I make. So my intentions of helping you, they're about 10 out of 10. So that is one way that I like to recruit. Let me just show you one more time. JoinSaveClub.com. I even make business cards. They're $22 at Vistaprint or anywhere you want to go. I like to do it online. That's my card right there. You click it, you go to this page. Now, if you're out of ideas and marketing material, you don't have video, you're just like, oh, I joined, but I'm all by myself. I want to join a team. Okay, I want to belong to a group. I want to go to a Facebook group page where I can really meet people with zero experience or somebody all over the world, or maybe you live in Fiji, France, or Florida, but How would you like to join more of a team? I recommend that big time. Now, this is where the funnel system comes in. If you've already joined Save Club, don't worry about it. This funnel system, it's $25. And if you like it, then get it next month. And if it gets you more money, then do it again and again. This SaveClubFunnels.com has really been a game changer for many people, because when this funnel takes over, it has a 20-minute video instead of a 6-minute video. It shows the comp plan. It just has a lot better detail about Save Club. And it's a $25, I guess, experiment. All right. Did you do science experiments in high school or grade school? Well, this one, you have to have a little faith, and it's going to cost you $25. That's it. And if you like it, then get it again next month. And if it makes you more than $25, then you know what? I think you're going to be a big fan of the funnel system. Now, you want to see what it looks like? Because it's $25 and you don't have to do it. But if you join my funnel systems here, you're going to be invited to 2 private, invite-only Facebook group pages, 2. And you're going to have a lot more marketing and, video, banners, posters, everything to use. And they're ready for you now. They're not a dime more. All you got to do is join the funnel system. Okay. So you go to Save and then Club. Remember, funnels with an S.com. Now I want you to fill out this page. And this exact page is yours too. And you can change the background if you don't like boats, if you like pink instead of a yellow box there. But I recommend just leave it. Okay, so let's all rock. This is my Gmail. I've had this forever. Let's all rock at gmail.com. Fill out that white rectangle, hit the yellow button. And remember, every single page you're looking at is your page too, except it's going to lead people to join Save Club. This is the 20-minute video that has more detail. People watch it. If they like what they see, then guess what? They go to join Save Club. There you go, $60. You get the full website and the capture page, and then it's $19.97 a month. That is it. And you're going to save money like crazy. Now, if you're already in Save Club, don't worry about it. Go to the new funnel. It's $25. Go ahead, go to this red button in Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express. Click it. You got 25 smackaroos. Good. Invested in yourself. I'll send you a nice email too. I'll even do a direct video on how to set it up. It's produced by my buddy Mike. It takes like 10-15 minutes. Basically what you're doing is getting Save Club information like your affiliate link, and you're putting it in the funnel. So the funnel here, look at that. You watch the 20-minute video, but if you notice something, if you want to join Save Club, look, it goes right to this page here. It looks familiar, right? It's the 6-minute video, and this is where you put the information in and you hit the orange button. So a funnel is awesome. And a funnel that's 20 minutes that really explains Save Club is just fantastic. I have more signups right now using my funnel. Now, here's another thing to think about. When you join the funnel, awesome. Thank you. I make $20. The company pays me that. But guess what? When you join the funnel, and if you want to go ahead and send out emails or messages, or if you make a video like this and just say, hey guys, you know what? This funnel system, it seems to work for me. And if you want to check it out, it's $25. Here's a video. Watch. Now, guess what? When people join the funnel through your video link, my gosh, you're going to get $20 too. And guess what? Every month that person uses the funnel, it's ongoing. You get $20 a month after month after month after month. I've already made well over $900 as of this morning. I've only had the funnel a couple of weeks. That $900 is going to grow because I'm getting signups for the funnel every day, where people are already they've already joined Save Club somewhere else. Well, when you or other people join the funnel, I make $20. Plus, that's recurring. So if people join Save Club, awesome. I make $20 to $32 there just from Save Club, but the funnel is now paying me an additional $20. Awesome, right? I've made about $4,000. As of today, I should have about $6,000 of income in less than 40 days. I'm really happy with that. That's just from Save Club. And then add the other 1,000 that I have coming in from the funnel. Wow. I am very excited to present this to you. All you got to do is check it out. And like I said, you do not have to do the funnel system, but if you want to join more of a team where there's more materials and free videos and free pictures, we produce a massive amount of content for you. Every week we add a folder, and all you do is open up that folder. For example, today is, let me look at the date. Today is 6/6. Today is June 6th of 2025. So for example, you'll open up a folder. It'll say 6/6, and boom, open it up, and there's going to be tons more pictures and videos you guys can use. They're ready to go. TikTok, those short little videos, longer videos. We have pictures, banners, everything. Go ahead and just post to Instagram and Facebook, TikTok. Go crazy. And if you do an ad, let's say on Craigslist, there's nothing wrong with posting a picture. Maybe there's a link to something, but all you got to do is just make sure the link to join you is correct. So my examples are right here on your screen. I want you to go to joinsaveclub.org. Okay, that one's awesome. That's what you get for $60. And it's signed up, oh my God, almost, 50 to 60 people. And then my funnel system has signed me up probably 40. So I almost have 100 people signed up. And I joined Save Club, I think today is day 38. So in 38 days, almost 100 people. And those are the two things that I do. I just invite people to both those links. You can do the same. Obviously, your links will be different. And if you want to change the funnel colors and the way it's worded, you can, but I recommend just get the funnel now. Get people to sign up and have a good time, and then you can figure out your own groove, like, hey, I like to do video. I like to do pictures, but you're going to like the free content. I think the pictures and the video is going to help you a lot. And I want you to belong to a group, a team. You just feel like, okay, this is good. I'm not alone. I don't want you to get stuck. Guys, we are only 6 days old. We kicked this off June 6th. Now, I pre-launched as an affiliate a month ago. That's why I have 36 days in, or 38, I mean, to be exact. But holy cow, 6 days old and we're already kicking butt. I know you can do this, okay? So thanks for your time. Peace and love. If you need me, email me, Cory@CoryDraper.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and my work is done. Okay, have a good day, guys. See you soon. Bye.